In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Kahoot to Microsoft Teams. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to teams.microsoft.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft Teams account before moving forward so the app gets added to the right workspace. Once Teams has fully loaded in your browser, take a moment to orient yourself to the layout. You'll usually find the main navigation options along the left-hand side, and that's where we'll begin. Next, look toward the bottom left area of the Teams window and click the Apps shortcut. This opens the Microsoft Teams App Store, where you can browse and install tools that work inside your Teams environment. If the page takes a second to load, that's completely normal, especially if your internet connection is a little busy or if Teams is loading a lot of content in the background. Once the App Store is open, move to the search field and type in Kahoot. Be sure to spell it correctly so the right result appears. As you type, Teams may begin showing suggested matches automatically. This can save you time, but you should still confirm that the app you choose is the correct Kahoot integration. When you see the matching Kahoot app tile, click on it to open the app details page. This is a good place to quickly verify that you've selected the right application before installing it. After that, choose Add. By clicking Add, you're allowing Kahoot to be connected within Microsoft Teams so you can use it more directly in your team space. After the app has been added, go to the team where you want to use it. Open that team and look across the tab row near the top of the channel or workspace. Select Kahoot from the available tabs. If it doesn't appear immediately, give Teams a moment to finish syncing the new app. In some cases, refreshing the page can also help if the tab doesn't show up right away. Finally, once the Kahoot tab is open, log into your Kahoot profile, use your own account credentials, and make sure you're signing into the correct game host account if you manage multiple profiles. After logging in, you'll be ready to access your Kahoot content directly inside Microsoft Teams and continue setting things up from there. That's it. You've now successfully added Kahoot to Microsoft Teams and opened it inside your chosen team.